Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this fire pit and this thing is just awesome. I'm going to tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second. But guys, this thing, let me start first with assembly. It was so easy to assemble. It came with all the parts necessary to assemble it. Came with all the tools necessary to assemble it. And it was super easy. The instructions are super clear, put together in less than 25 minutes. It's just awesome. It's a 36-inch fire pit. You can see plenty of room in the fire pit for firewood, and the edges are just really well decorated. It's super good quality. It's light enough to move around, but heavy duty enough that it's not going to just break down on you or whatnot. My favorite thing has to be these little things on it that it comes with that you can cook on, and that is just something unique to this fire pit, and it's just awesome because these things, if you don't want to use them, you don't have to. You can just take that off. You can easily just move them off to the side like this. But they come on a post right here. You can take that post off and just put it aside. You don't have to use it at all if you don't want to, but it's there if you want it. I would also highly recommend that you get a fire pit cover for this, and this one right here covers it perfectly. As you can see all around the edges, it's waterproof, covers it perfectly, protects it from the rain and the elements. I can't say anything more about this fire pit, guys. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.